how do you go about testing the e-learning course that you design? Let's say from a navigation perspective or interactive perspective, the learners come from different background, they have a different uh, learning maturity. So how do you go about testing the e-learning courses that you design for multiple stakeholders, multiple profile?
Okay. So unlike in a product design scenario, we don't have a proper user testing with uh, testing for all the learning content right now. The reason is the target audience, the availability or the reachability to all the actual learning learners are limited. But what we do once we are clear with the requirement, and once we put all the checklist and put all the parameters in place, so that becomes a base for us to test it for its efficiency. So that parameters will be used for testing at our end, like the quality as well as mostly but even when we do quality check, there'll be one perspective, one learner's perspective applied to it. So how the user is going to see it, and how easily they can find information, how easily they can navigate from one part of the content from and to the another part, how easily we can have an interface where we can switch between topics, or if you want to non-linearly, if you can navigate. So all these things will be like documented, and that we'll use that document for testing. And as a user testing phase, when it goes to the client, then there'll be an user, the actual user will be taking those content, and immediately you'll get the feedback. So based on the feedback, it's easy to update it and send it back.
Right.
But and yeah, and sometimes it comes with experience, because as we are working with the client for some time, then we kind of know the trends and the pattern, the learning pattern, and the acceptance pattern. That also helps to a large extent.